I'm the co-founder of TechnicalKids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. So today we are going to continue C++ string part 2. So if you have not seen my strings part 1, then first view that, then view this video. So without any delay, let's get started. Damn! Okay, so here is Google Chrome. And here is W3 Schools. Okay, learn C++. And string length. So without any delay, let's get started. Damn! I'll just get the water for myself. Stay right there, okay? I'm coming. Yeah, guys, I'm back once again. So let's get started. String length. To get the length of a string, we all know what function we need to use. It is a length function. If you don't know that, you're just going to write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, whatever, the full all the alphabets, and you don't know how many are there, and you don't want to get counting A, B, C, D. Then just go and open Python or C++. Just make a string text and write ABCD quickly, and then just see out the length of the string, and you will get to know what is the length of the string. Now let's see. There are so many letters here. See, I'm not going to count now A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. No, I'm not going to count it, right? So that's when the length function is used, right? Oh, okay. Now I got to know that 26 letters are there in alphabet. Okay. Oops, sorry. Tip. You might see some C++ programs that use the size function to get the length of the string. This is just an alias of length. It is completely up to you. Okay, I think there's a size method also. Sometimes in C++ code you must have seen that there's a size function. So that size function is also was same like the length function, and it's completely up to you. It's all on you if you want to use the length function or you want to use the size function. I would always use the length function because I'm used to it. Okay, next chapter. Okay. C++ access strings. Access strings. You can access the character in a string by referring to the index number inside the square brackets. This example prints the first character in my string. It's saying that if there is a text and you want a specific character, one character from there. So how can you get that? You can get that using something known as index number, and you have to write it in the square bracket. Now let's see this example to understand better. It's saying string my string is equals to hello, and you want to access the first value. So if you want to access the first value, you're going to give 0. The value this second e's value, if you want to access, you will give 1. So basically you can say you're doing normal counting and you want to do access h. So sometimes people give 1. So you can always see, oh, I need to access the index number. Okay, whatever. I want to access h. Now in the normal counting, it is 1. So I'll just subtract it. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 will be the index number. So this is my trick. Okay, this is my trick. So let's see. We are doing string my string hello. Then we want to access this h. How will we access it? See, we'll print my string and in bracket 0. So the index which has the in with the character which has the index 0 is h. So h will be printed. See? Okay. Note string index start with 0. 0 is the first character, first is the second character, etc. We already got to know that if you want to get the first index, you will have to give 0. Whatever index you want, just subtract it from normal counting. If you want hello and you're giving 1, so just think about it and subtract it. 1 minus 1, 0. So 0 will be the index. Okay. This example prints this. Oh god. Okay, so first we were printing hello, right? With an h index was 0. So here we are printing e. How are we printing e? Because we are giving the index number. And if you want to access the second character, you will subtract it with 1. 2 minus 1, 1. And here's the index 1. So we get e. Okay. Change string characters. To change the value of specific character in a string, refer to the index number and use single quotes. Okay. It's saying if you want to change the value, maybe if you want to change h to j, instead of hello you want jello and you want to change the value of h. So how are you going to do it? Let's understand it with an example. So we are going to do string my string hello. So we are making what you say variable my string in which value is hello. Then we are doing my string 0 is equals to j is equals to j. So and did you recognize if you want to change, then you will surround it with single quotes. So now it has changed the value of h to j. So it's now jello instead of hello. And it's now we do cout my string, so it gets output is jello instead of hello. Rhyming. Output is jello instead of hello. Ooh, nice one. Oh my god. Wait a second. Did I make the it? Okay. It's saying C++ user input. We know, I'm saying it in general, that we guys know that if you want to take input in Python, you will give the input keyword. Now, if you want to take input in C++, you will give the cn keyword. Now, let's see. It is possible to use the extraction operator. So, if you want to print something, you will give the insertion operator. These are known as insertion operator. And if you want to take input from somebody, then you will use the extraction operator. This operator is known as extraction. Now let's see, understand it with an example. Okay, so the example is saying we are doing string first name. Okay, so we are just making a variable and we're not giving it a value. Then we do cout, type your first name. So the user will see type your first name, and then we do cin first name. So now what cin first name? So now the user types its first name. Okay, it types the first name, his or her first name, and that whatever is given is saved in first name variable. Then you do your name is first name. So whatever the user has given while inputting, that would come here. Basically, if somebody named John, it says type your first name. He types John. Then it gets your name is, and in a first name variable the value was saved as John. So here it would came your name is John. Oh, I didn't see this literally. I swear I didn't see this that this example was only given. Oh my god. Now let's see. However, CN considers a space, white space, tab, etc. As a terminating character, which means that it can only display single word if you type many words. It's saying that, let's see, we say string full name, and we're doing cout your cout type your full name, and then we do cin full name. So he is, for example, he gives John Doe. Okay, so now it has given John Doe, but when you're doing your name is and it only gets John. Now why does this happen? Because when you're writing like John Doe and you will give a space, right? So it will in that then C++ will think it is that what you say. It will what will it think? It would think that it's a terminating character, and it would only get John, and it won't read the rest of the part. Now, if you want the full John Doe, as your name is John Doe, then you will use the getLine function. Now, from the getLine function, it can take spaces, and it won't get John. It would get John Doe. Now, let's see how will we use the getLine function. So first, we are going to do string full name. Then we are doing cout type your full name, and then we do getLine cin full name. So this line means that get the input from the user and save this in a full name. But we have also given here getLine. So when the person is giving John space Doe, then it then that is John Doe. That full is saved. John Doe with that space. Then it says cout your name is full name. So John Doe, the full name was saved inside. So it would get first it would see type your full name. So it would type John Doe. Then it would get your name is John Doe. Okay. So the next is quite small. Omitting namespace. You might see some C++ programs that run without the standard namespace library. The using namespace std line can be omitted and replaced with the std keyword followed by the this operator for string and cout operator. Uh, okay, it's saying that you must have seen some codes with this something std and something. So it's telling you about it, how to use it. Like you will give std string and all like this, and it's saying it is up to you. You decide whether you want to give the std or not. I would rather not give the std because it's on up to us, and it's kind of like confusing, and sometimes we can forget it and all that. Oh my god, guys, we're already done! Didn't you enjoy learning? I did a lot teaching you. So, here's thanks for the kids, and subscribe my brother's channel and my channel also. And I hope you really liked my video. If you did, smash that like button, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye, dear. Bye. See you soon.